Okay, our challenge today is customers who visited but did not make any transactions. Alright, so we have two tables. We have visit ID, customer ID, and we have transactions, transaction ID, visit ID, amount, and we have to write a solution to find the IDs of the users who visited without making any transactions and the number of times they made this type of visit. Return the result in any order. So right now, okay, so we have customer 23 with visit ID 1 and 23 with visit ID, customer 23 with visit ID 1 made a visit and a purchase. So they made a purchase. While customer ID 9 with visit ID 2 actually visited and also made a purchase, while 30 visited 4 did visited but did not make a purchase, because if they made a purchase there'll be a transaction ID. Okay, so customer with ID 54 visit ID 5 visited 5 times, visited and made 5 transactions for this particular ID, while customer ID 96 with visit ID 6 did not make a purchase, visited but did not make a purchase, while customer with visit ID 54 visited this store, this is 7, but did not make any purchase because they are not on the transactions table. And also customer ID 54 also visited the store 8 and also did not make a transaction. So we have to find the number of customers in a group that visited but did not make any transaction. Like customer ID 54 visited twice and visited 2 stores and did not make any transaction, while 30 also visited and did not make any transaction. Visited just 1 store and didn't make a transaction, while 96 also visited 1 store and didn't make a transaction. 54 visited 3 stores and made 3 transactions from only 1 store and did not make any transaction from 2 stores, so we return them. So we know that we have to look at this table. We want to return everyone here that visited but didn't make a transaction, so we want to return everything on our right. So when I was supposed to solve this yesterday, but I was just tired, so I just tried it yesterday. I was trying to solve it and I was since giving me a headache. So I had to look at the solutions. So that's why I decided to draft out this table to help you understand what we're doing. Okay, so we do a left join first so that we select count, we're supposed to select number of IDs. Okay, so where's the result? Customer ID. But we would make this customer ID. Since customer ID is on visit, make this V. And number of counts, just make this count all as count number transactions. Okay, so we're going to do a left join here on this table. A left join will give us null where there are no matching records in the other table for those particular records. So for example, now 4 and 13 for this particular record, now we have null on the other tables because there is no matching records for them, same as the other people that didn't visit. So that's how we're going to get a number of people that visited but didn't make any transaction. So we are going to left join on left join. Okay, so we select this from visits. Then we left join transactions. Mark that as T on visit ID. Is equal to transaction T, rather, the visit ID. So this will give us this table. So now, in order to get a number of people that didn't visit, we'll say where transaction. Let me put this here so that's a bit readable. So our next list will be where transaction, where T dot transaction ID is equal, is null, right? Then with that, we want to group by customer ID, because we don't just want to count. If we just count like that, it will just count everything that was returned by the table. But we don't just count everything that was returned by the table. We want to count them in groups. So we want to get each individual customers and do just the sum of everything. So we group by v dot customer underscore ID, and with that they should give us an answer of things being okay. Just take out our table for now to run this. Okay, so let's submit. All right, so that is all for today.